OpenAI just hit the panic button. Sam Altman literally sent out a code red memo. Google's Gemini is crushing ChatGPT on every benchmark, and OpenAI is scrambling to catch up. This is the biggest AI war we've ever seen. Stay tuned because I'm testing both live. OpenAI just declared code red. This is not a drill. Sam Altman sent an internal memo on December 1st. He paused everything. No more ads projects, no more shopping AI agents, no more health assistants. Everything stopped. Why? Because Google just beat them. Google's Gemini 3 is destroying ChatGPT on benchmarks. And I'm going to show you exactly what's happening. Plus, I'm testing both AI tools live in this video so you can see which one actually wins. Let me ask you something. Do you remember 2022 when ChatGPT launched and everyone freaked out? Google literally declared their own code red back then. They were panicking because OpenAI was dominating. Now the tables have turned. It's the exact opposite. OpenAI is the one panicking. Google is the one winning. This is insane. So what exactly happened? Sam Altman sent this memo to his entire team. The memo said ChatGPT needs urgent improvements. Speed is too slow. Reliability is not good enough. Personalization is weak. And reasoning needs to be way better. He called it a critical time for ChatGPT. That's a direct quote. Critical time. When a CEO uses those words, you know it's serious. OpenAI paused all their side projects. They're putting every single resource into fixing ChatGPT because Google is eating their lunch right now. Let me show you the numbers. Gemini 3 is crushing it on benchmarks. There's this test called MMMU Pro. It measures how well AI understands complex problems. Gemini 3 scored 81%. GPT 5.1 scored 76%. That's a 5% gap. In AI terms, that's huge, but it gets worse for OpenAI. Google gained 200 million users in just 3 months. 200 million. That's more users than most apps will ever see in their entire lifetime, and it happened in 90 days. OpenAI has 800 million users total, but Google is growing way faster. The momentum is clearly with Google right now. Even big companies are switching. All right, let me tell you about something that can help you even more. If you want to save time and automate your business with AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini, you need to check out AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go deep on AI automation. We show you exactly how to set up systems that work for you. We cover the latest tools, we cover the latest strategies, and we help you implement everything step by step. So if you're serious about using AI in your business, click the link in the description, join AI Profit Boardroom, and let's take your business to the next level. Now back to the video. So why is Google winning? Let me break it down with real tests. I'm going to show you 3 areas where Gemini is dominating: math, coding, and multimodal tasks. First up, math. Gemini 3 can solve math problems without any tools. No calculators, no external help, just pure reasoning. It scores 95% on complex math tests. GPT-5 struggles with this. It needs tools to get good results. And even with tools, it doesn't hit 95%. That's a massive difference. Second, coding. There's a test called SWE Bench. It measures how well AI can write and fix code. Gemini 3 scores 72.8%. GPT 5.1 scores 76.3%. Wait, OpenAI is winning this one? Actually, it's super close. And Gemini is catching up fast. A few months ago, OpenAI was way ahead. Now it's basically tied. Third, multimodal tasks. This means handling images, videos, text, everything at once. Gemini 3 is crushing this. It can analyze videos frame by frame. It understands context across different media types. ChatGPT is good at this too, but Gemini has the edge right now, especially with video analysis. Now let me tell you what OpenAI is doing about this. They're not just sitting around, they're rushing out GPT 5.2. The release date is December 9th. GPT 5.2 is supposed to have better reasoning, better tool use, faster responses. OpenAI is betting everything on this release. They need it to beat Gemini, because if they don't, they're in trouble. Here's the thing though, OpenAI still has some advantages. They have 800 million users. That's a massive user base. They have Microsoft backing them, and they're integrated into Windows, Office, everything. ChatGPT is also really good at understanding what you want. The user experience is smooth. People love the interface. So OpenAI isn't dead yet, not even close, but they're definitely feeling the pressure. And that's why we're seeing this code red situation. Now, let me talk about what this means for you. If you're a business owner or a creator, you need to pay attention because the best AI tools are changing fast. 2 minutes ago, you might have thought ChatGPT was the king. Now, Gemini is fighting for that crown, and next week, GPT 5.2 might take it back. This is moving so fast. So what should you do? Here's my advice. Test both tools. Don't just stick with one. Gemini has a free version you can try right now. Go to Google AI Studio, type in some prompts, see how it performs, compare it to ChatGPT. Do the same tests I talked about earlier. Ask it to solve a math problem, ask it to write some code, ask it to analyze an image or video, see which one gives you better results. Because here's the truth, different AI tools are better at different things. Gemini might be better for technical tasks. ChatGPT might be better for creative writing. You need to figure out what works for your business. And right now is the perfect time to experiment. Both companies are competing hard. They're both improving fast. You can take advantage of this competition. Use the best tool for each job. Don't be loyal to one brand. Be loyal to what gets you results. Let me give you some pro tips if you're doing SEO work. Test both for content generation, see which one writes better blog posts, see which one understands search intent better. If you're doing automation, look at how they integrate with tools. ChatGPT has a lot of plugins. Gemini connects with Google Workspace. Pick the one that fits your workflow. If you're doing lead generation, test both for email sequences, test both for ad copy, test both for landing page content. One might be way better than the other. You won't know until you try. And here's another thing. You can stack these tools together. Use something like N8N to connect them. N8N is a workflow automation tool. You can have Gemini do one task, then pass the result to ChatGPT for another task. This is how you get the best of both worlds. You're not limited to just one AI. You can use multiple AIs in your business. And that's when things get really powerful. Now, let me talk about what's coming next. GPT 5.2 drops on December 9th. I'm going to test it immediately. I'll probably make a video about it, so subscribe if you want to see that. But here's what I think will happen. GPT 5.2 will probably be better than the current version. It might catch up to Gemini, it might even beat Gemini on some benchmarks. But Google won't just sit still, they'll release Gemini 3.5 or Gemini 4. This is going to be a constant back and forth. And honestly, that's great for us, because competition makes these tools better. Every time Google releases something good, OpenAI has to step up. Every time OpenAI releases something good, Google has to step up. We win either way. We get better AI tools, we get lower prices, we get more features. This is the best time to be using AI for business. Let me also address something. Some people are worried about AI taking over or AI replacing jobs. Here's my take. AI is a tool. It's not going to replace you if you learn how to use it, but it will replace you if you ignore it. Right now, we're seeing the biggest companies in the world fight over AI. They're building the best technology, and you can use that technology for free or for $20 a month. That's insane. You have access to the same tools that billion-dollar companies are using. You just need to learn how to use them. And that's what this channel is about, helping you stay updated, helping you understand what's happening, helping you use these tools to grow your business. So before we wrap up, let me give you one more tip. Don't wait for the perfect AI tool. There's no such thing. Every tool has strengths and weaknesses. Just pick one and start using it today. Learn the basics, then expand to other tools. The people who win with AI are the ones who take action, not the ones who wait around, not the ones who overthink it, the ones who just start using it. So go test Gemini, go test ChatGPT, see which one works better for your needs, and then use it every single day, because that's how you stay ahead. So what's my final verdict? Right now, today, Gemini 3 has the edge on technical tasks, math, coding, complex reasoning. Gemini is ahead. But ChatGPT is still better at understanding what you want. The user experience is smoother, the responses feel more natural, so it depends on what you need. If you're doing heavy technical work, try Gemini. If you're doing creative work or need something easy to use, stick with ChatGPT, or better yet, use both. That's what I'm doing. I'm testing everything. I'm using the best tool for each job, and I'm staying flexible, because this space is moving so fast. What's true today might not be true next week. When GPT 5.2 drops, everything could change again. And that's exciting. We're living through the AI revolution. This is history in the making, and you get to be part of it. So stay curious, keep learning, keep testing new tools, and keep pushing your business forward, because the opportunities right now are massive. The people who figure this out early will have a huge advantage, and I want you to be one of those people. All right, before I go, let me recap everything. OpenAI declared code red because Google is winning. Gemini 3 is crushing benchmarks. OpenAI is rushing out GPT 5.2 to compete. This is the biggest AI war we've ever seen, and you can take advantage of it by testing both tools. Use the best one for your needs. Don't be loyal to one brand. Be loyal to what gets you results. And if you want to go deeper on AI automation, check out AI Profit Boardroom. Click the link in the description. We'll show you exactly how to save time and scale your business with AI tools like the ones we talked about today. You'll learn how to set up systems that work while you sleep. You'll learn how to automate your content, your marketing, your lead generation, and you'll stay ahead of everyone else who's still doing everything manually. So don't wait, click that link, join AI Profit Boardroom, and let's build something amazing together. All right, that's it for today. If you learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and comment below which AI you're using right now. Are you Team ChatGPT or Team Gemini? Let me know. I read every single comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.